Quick response. Understanding, answer without delay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound simple but holds significant importance in both casual and formal English communication. Answer without delay. Stay with us as we unpack its meaning, usage, and why it's more than just a request for a speedy reply. When someone says, "Answer without delay," they're asking for a response that is immediate or as quick as possible. This phrase is often used in situations where time is of the essence, and waiting for a response could lead to complications or missed opportunities. It emphasizes the urgency and importance of the reply. Let's dissect the phrase for a better understanding. Answer refers to the act of responding to a question, request, or situation. Without is a term that means in the absence of or lacking. Delay signifies a period of waiting or postponement. Put together, without delay means doing something promptly, without wasting any time. This phrase can be used in both verbal and written communication. It's common in business emails, urgent requests, or any scenario where an immediate decision or action is crucial. However, it's important to use it judiciously, as overuse or misuse might come off as pushy or impolite. In formal situations, please answer without delay to ensure we meet the project deadline. In casual contexts, even in less formal situations, it can be used to stress the importance of quick communication. Can you let me know without delay if you're coming tonight? Understanding the cultural context is crucial when using phrases like, "answer without delay." In some cultures, this directness is appreciated and expected, while in others, it may be seen as demanding. Always consider the relationship between the sender and receiver and the norms of their communication culture. We hope this explanation helps you understand the importance of the phrase, "answer without delay," and how to use it effectively in your English communications. Remember, clear and timely communication is key in any interaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.